Hello, thanks for dropping in. Today I'm looking at a hot diggity dogger. We'll see if there's much heat to be had. So, I have partially disassembled it. I mean, partially when I say this is what holds the hot dogs. It just slides out. Here is the thing that catches the remnants of whatever falls off. Crumb thing. Here is the outside. It fastens quite simply with 4 screws, and so yes, I have pulled it off. Now the reason I have done this is because the internals, when I first gave it a try, the timer would do its thing, but nothing would happen on the heat side of things. And now it's heating up. All right, let me have a look here. Yes, there are 4 elements. You can probably see now, and they are indeed heating up. I'm going to try and get this to pop. I have no idea why. See, what I have another one like this. Ooh, that's getting hot. I didn't really do much in here. I'm trying to encourage the timer to go faster. Maybe. Yeah, well, this was a quick repair. I figured if I couldn't get this one working, that then I would see about transplanting pieces from this one onto the other one. Come on, come on. I'm pushing. I don't like doing this. It's hot. Well, I guess now I'm going to have to wait for it to cool down. Anyway, what is a hot diggity dog? It's basically a hot dog toaster. That's what it is. And you can put buns in the side, although I find it usually burdens them somewhat. And the hot dogs go in the center, and it cooks them quite well. I find the best thing to do with a hot diggity dogger is to set it on the highest temperature and do it twice, and then you get something that's very well cooked and quite lovely. Anyway, I wonder if something I did something, because certainly I tried it before and it would not heat up. And now it's cooking just fine. And actually, I wish I could get it to hurry up, but it's not hurrying up. It has a timer. Ooh. Okay, so now we're up. All right, well now I suspect this hot diggity dogger is too hot to handle for a while. There's the hot diggity dogger thing. So I'm going to have to let it cool, and then I will put it back together, and then I will see if it still works. But I can't do that while it is so hot. I cannot. So anyway, I was going to do more to explore. And perhaps swap parts over, but it's working. Now I did, and when I had taken this, I did kind of shake the connectors and things. I don't know. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot, 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 hot. Okay, well, we can set that over here to cool. We will keep it well away from Penny. And perhaps next time we'll have a look. Again, we'll put it back together and we'll try and do a little cooking. Guess I got to get some hot dogs. But I don't need to have it working. Oh, sorry. Don't need to have hot dogs to test it. I don't know. It's one of those things. Didn't work. Now it works. Anyway, I think this was made in the 80s. I can't touch it right now because it's too hot. Anyway, stay tuned. We're always doing something fun here. Oh, hi, Penny. Penny. Stay away from the table. Penny's a cat. Penny, don't go up on the table. No. All right. Thanks for coming. We will see you again soon when the dust settles and the hot diggity dogger cools off. Bye for now.